Hello, my lovely Aries. How are you, loves? I hope everybody's well. Aries, today we'll do your weekly reading. This will be for the third week of June. Sun, Moon, Rising signs, and Venus signs. We have our Moon in crescent position after new moon, and as well after the solar eclipse. The energies are quite strong, and now we are moving towards in a more pleasant energy. Let's see here, Aries, what we have for you for this week coming, and what are the blessings we need to look at, see, and recognize, and how the universe is blessing you, loves. Let's see here, Aries. General reading, as always. Keep in mind, know that I'm just a messenger. Whatever comes through will be shared with all of you. 10 of Swords, Star, and Chariot. A little fear here. There's something here you are healing from, Aries. But what I'm seeing here, this healing is almost over, or that's how you are considering it. Getting rid of certain energies here and moving forward. If something here ended into your life, now you are healing. But you likely leave it behind. Whatsoever, I feel here there is some fears. There's certain fears here. But the things here is I'm moving forward. We are moving into a new season, and that is the Cancerian season. And you know, as we moving, next month, July, is the Cancer season. And as well, we have a new moon in Cancer and a full moon in Aquarius. And here's the moon. So this period of time is very, absolutely beneficial for a lot of Aries. From the point of healing and moving forward, leaving certain energies behind. Good job. And when we have the major arcanas here, loves, you know the universe is working with you or towards you to get something out of the best. But let's hear what the energies are and how moves. 4 of Cups right here, Judgment. 7 of Cups, High Priestess. Page of Wands, here you are, right smack in the middle. Ace of Cups, you know you're moving towards something new. And that's you in a new version of yourself. Hermit, another major arcana. Wow, World, yes, there's a big change here for you. Reflecting strongly what was in the past and moving towards a new field. Wow, Aries, congratulations. You are brand new beginning starting right now. And look at here, I feel here there is something here you still in the reflections, a little confused still, a little fearing the new, but I feel here you will be glad whatever you're moving. This is all about you. I'm speaking here with a single Aries. There's not somebody here with another person. What I feel here, you might leave behind a third party or something here which calls unrequited love. There's something here you could refuse whatever was offered, not because you didn't want it, but because you felt just an option, or you felt that whatever was offered was not for you. And Hermit and the High Priest, these are very spiritual energies. Also, what I'm saying here with the High Priestess, you follow your intuition and knew clearly that what is offered that was not good. Also, you sense here, whoever was here, could be also a betrayal you gone through, but it's kind of you stop it at the right time, at the right moment. As well, there is an Aries here very strongly into spirituality. Welcome to the 5D energy, loves, because many of you are on this channel, on this path with me as well. You are in path as I am. You know, time frames quite differently might be, but I feel here you are recognize where you are and where you are moving. And there is a lot of emotional baggage here left behind. There is a lot of things here you know now how to shift and how to move forward. As well, I feel here some of you had a big awakening. All right, and you needed a few months or a little time here to figure out what is there, what you want to go forward with. And I feel here as well, you knew that first step is healing. And then is moving. After you heal, accept that the healing is mandatory. Accept that movement is a choice. And as well, it's kind of like whatever was a huge lesson for you. But hey, we are not staying. You are an Aries. You are a go-getter person. And Page of Wands, which pages are all about news. I'm curious in something new. I'm following that new. I'm going towards new. But I feel here you are looking forward, figure it out, and then moving. And the Hermit here, reflecting deeply, because High Priestess is your intuition. And other thing here, you might have been looking here, what is deep inside me, what I should know, and what I should go forward with. With the World and the Judgment here, I know there's another path. Turn the page. Because the World energy is very much speaking about a new chapter. Ending a chapter, closing a chapter, you know, and this chapter to be closed or keep it as it is up to you. What are you up to, Aries? And I feel here it's quite showing here that's what you are up to, towards something new. Brand new beginning. Let's see here some clarifications here. What's this? You know, still some things here. It's like deep fears. Probably you are fearing of unknown, or how will be, or if that will be. But look at here how many major arcanas we had. Full energy into something new, taking a leap of faith. 7 major arcanas we got out of bat here for you, Aries. So that's something you need to pay attention. 4 of Cups, clarifying spirit, thank you. 2 of Pentacles. You indeed here were probably for 2 years here, back and forth with certain energies or with a person or a situation here. Should I leave it? Should I not? Do I need this? Do I not? There's somebody here who could juggle or could breadcrumb you. And you've been very much up in your head about it. Should I stay? What should I do? 1 more card, Spirit, thank you. 2 of Cups and 3 of Swords. What I'm feeling here, you loved somebody here. You really did. And that was that insecurity energy. Should I stay? Should I go? But you know, I feel here there is an Aries who realized that I can't stay where I'm not welcomed. And you know, loves, if a guest is invited, it's very much welcome. If a guest is showing up uninvited, well, we gotta know. That does not work that way. Let's see here. 7 of Cups. Because I feel here you could put somebody on a pedestal, love them, nurture them, but they always, you know, been an option. And I feel here with this Judgment was a big awakening. Wait a little bit. I'm just an option for this person. They are the one for me, but I'm not for them. Let's see here, 7 of Cups speaking here. Whoever been that person for you, whatever zodiac sign they've been here. King of Swords. Somebody who manipulate, could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or had, you know, traits like an air sign. Indeed, here was a fixed sign, which the fixed signs, you know, loves. I'm speaking a lot about them. The fixed signs are Aquarius. This is Aquarius card. Another fixed signs, we do have Leo, Scorpio, and Taurus. But the thing is, with this King of Swords, you cut off to be an option. You are not an option anymore. And I feel here you could be quite clear about that. Crystal clear. That's about this King of Swords. And done. A big transformation here. Big transformation for Aries. Let's see here, Page of Wands, where you're hitting here, what's your energy here at this time, where you are moving towards. Page of Pentacles, something new, clear. For some of you, you are moving towards an earth sign. But I feel here, where you are moving, even you feel it's small, but Page of Pentacles is the most stable page to be considered. Into something real, something stable, not game planning. And 4 of Wands, 11-11, twin flame energy, but as well speak about union, completion, stability. Beautiful. Aries. Again, I congratulate you, leaving something behind and making up to yourself and see for yourself what you need to do. Also, I feel here there's an Aries here who listened to the universe guidance, basically, and as well the inner voice guidance, going deep into that, realizing that, hey, I'm not moving in the right direction. What should I do? Give me science. And the universe give it to you. One oracle card for you. Look at here, the antelope spirit. Life is speeding up. Number 2. So there's no third party. Whatever you are moving forward, you are moving towards something absolutely beautiful. And underneath we have the koala spirit. Spirit has a plan. Number 35, which sums up to 8. 2. So, good job, Aries. You made it here. And indeed, here now, your life will make such a turn you never experienced before. Chariot, this is fast movement. Fast movement. For some of you, Aries, there is travel. For some of you is move. You know, not only energetic move, because I feel here your energetic field is changed or is changing. But I feel here for some of you, you are actually changing your location. Your location, like the physical one. And that's awesome. Absolutely beautiful, Aries. Life is speeding up for you. Buckle up. Okay? Buckle up. Movement forward. And of course, loves, if you really enjoyed these readings and feel this energy strongly, let me know down below how this influenced you, how this impacted you. And as well, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And of course, we'll see you next time. Many blessings. Namaste.